welcome back to my channel. Today I'm filming a what I eat in a day, and I'm so sorry for my appearance right now. I just got back from the gym and I'm looking like a wet dog, but I would say that I eat pretty balanced. I like to get a lot of healthy foods in, but I'm not perfect. I do like chocolate, I do like sweets, I do like things every once in a while, but I would say I'm pretty well-rounded. I try to make healthy decisions with everything that I do. So if you'd like to see what I eat in a day, keep watching. So I just got back from the gym, and the first thing I do as soon as I get home is I have a protein shake with 8 ounces of almond milk. And then this is the protein that I'm using right now. It's a Red Con MRE Light Fudge Brownie. It's super good. I like it. So first things first, protein, baby. So I just had my protein shake, and now it's time for breakfast. So what I'm gonna have is some avocado toast with eggs, and if you've been watching my videos, you know I'm trying to avoid gluten right now. So I'm just using this gluten-free toast from Trader Joe's. You can use whatever you'd like, obviously. So I'm just gonna throw this down on the toaster real quickly. Okay, now that I top my toast with avocado, tomato, and my fried egg, I'm going to just put a little bit of feta cheese on top just because I'm obsessed with it. This is optional. Oh my gosh. So I'm just going to crumble that on there. And I'm also going to throw some salt and pepper and chili flakes on top. And there you guys have it, a delicious, easy, healthy breakfast. So I am making a chicken pad thai type of lunch, stir fry type of thing, whatever you want to call it. I'm trying to stay away from gluten right now, so I just got these rice noodles from Kroger, and then for the sauce we're going to need some liquid aminos, sesame oil, and sriracha. Also for garlic cloves, ginger, some red pepper flakes. I have my water boiling right now, so first thing we're going to start off with is frying our sauce. So I am actually getting this recipe off of TikTok, so I'll show you guys how I make it. I'm going to start off with throwing my chicken on the grill real quickly. I just marinated this in liquid aminos, some garlic powder, and then the umami seasoning from Trader Joe's. So I just threw some oil into my pan. I have 4 garlic cloves that I'm just going to put through my garlic press. And I have 1 inch of ginger. I don't know if my ginger will go through this garlic press, but I'm gonna try it. If not, I'll just grate it. Okay, I have the 1 inch of ginger in here. Let's see. Oh my god. Nope. Just broke my thing. Okay. Now I'm going to shred it, I guess. So I'm just gonna grate my ginger into here. 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. And let that cook up for about a minute. So I chopped up a bunch of veggies that I wanted in my stir fry last night. I have red pepper, onions, broccoli, and carrots. You can use whatever you like, whatever you prefer. So I'm just going to add it to this mixture and let them saute. Now we're going to make the sauce while my veggies marinate. So I just have this bowl. First we're going to start off with 1/3 cup of water. Then you're going to do 1/2 cup soy. Oh my god, I'm a mess, guys. 1/2 cup soy sauce or liquid aminos, whatever you prefer. Okay, so I have my 1/2 cup of soy. Then we're going to do 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. Then I'll do 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. And then we're going to do 2 tablespoons of sriracha. And then obviously you're going to want to whisk this all together. So my veggies are almost done. So I'm going to add the mixture we just made into the pan. Mix it all up. I also forgot to mention that I'm prepping this for the week. So I have pasta every day for the week, or stir fry, whatever you want to call it. And then I'm adding my fresh grilled chicken to it every day just because I hate warmed up chicken. So it's all marinated, ready for the week. But this is a thinner sauce, so if you want to thicken it up, you can add cornstarch or flour. I'm out of cornstarch and I'm trying to stay away from gluten, like I said. So I'm just going to let that simmer for another couple minutes. Okay, I'm now going to add my noodles in and just mix everything together so everything can get all flavorful and juicy. Okay, you guys, how good does this look? I'm so excited. I'm starving, and I just added my grilled chicken on top. Now look at all this leftover pasta I have. I love being effective with my time and just making things in batches so I have them for all week. But I will say this was a little spicy, so if you're not, if you can't handle spice that well, I would definitely limit to 1/2 teaspoon or a little less because it was pretty spicy, but I like spice, so I didn't mind it. And also I would add the cornstarch just to thicken it. It was a little too watery, but still super good. Okay guys, so it's dinner time. And I apologize for my appearance. It's been quite the day. But when it comes to dinner time, I like something super simple, quick, easy, and healthy, especially during the week. I'm not trying to spend an hour on dinner. I want to get it done. I want to make sure it's healthy and nutritious. So normally what I do is I take a protein, throw it on the grill, whatever it is, chicken, steak, whatever you're in the mood for. Tonight I'm doing chicken drumsticks. I love chicken drumsticks. So I just have them seasoned here with olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic salt, paprika, Italian seasoning. Just super simple. And now we're having a salad. John is just slicing some tomatoes. And then we're probably just going to put it on a bed of this spring mix. And then also as a side, for the first time I bought this gluten-free Greek quinoa salad. This is super simple. You can make this yourself at home. It's really just quinoa, Kalamata olives, cucumbers, tomatoes, onions. I just wanted to grab it because my sister said it was amazing, so I wanted to try it. So definitely can make this homemade. So like I said, this dinner will be ready in like 15 minutes, so I love that for a weekday. Alright guys, this is our dinner. We have our salad we just dressed with olive oil and red wine vinegar. And simple, easy, and so delicious. After dinner, every night John and I like to have a tea, so tonight we are doing this peppermint delight probiotic. And then I like to have a bite of this Who hazelnut bar chocolate. I'm obsessed with this. It tastes so good. A lot of, like, my sister doesn't like it, John doesn't like it, but I'm obsessed with it. If you've had Who, let me know. But yeah, just going to have some tea and then wind down for the night. Okay guys, that is everything that I eat in a day. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.